In this video, you will discover the hidden secret that will skyrocket your conversions and sales in digital marketing. Most people don't know this secret, but if you take it seriously, you will be successful in every area of internet marketing. It starts with 3 skills. These are sales generating skills you need to master to make millions of dollars with digital marketing. These 3 skills allowed me to convert every offer into sales on a daily basis. Before starting the main topic, make sure to download my free book in the description below. This book teaches you how to build the #1 digital asset online using just your email address. Additionally, you will earn 6 figures, 7 figures, up to 9 figures online using just your email while working only 15 to 30 minutes a day. Make sure to download this book right now. Let's start with skill #1, copywriting. Copywriting is the #1 skill of every entrepreneur online and offline. And if you want to make money with digital marketing, you have to master this essential skill. What is copywriting? Copywriting is any writing that convinces you to take a particular action. Any writing that convinces you, that persuades you, or motivates you to take a particular action. For example, buying a product, downloading a free book, or joining a membership. So, if you want the customer to buy your product or your service, first you have to convince them to take action. You have to persuade them, motivate them to take a specific action in your page or your landing page. So, if you convert the traffic into sales, you have to persuade the visitors. You have to convince them to take action. Skill #2, market research. Market research, or the ability to find the pain points or the problems of your target audience and provide services according to their needs and wants. What is market research? Market research is the process of gathering information about consumers' needs and preferences. It's the process of collecting specific information about your consumers' needs and preferences. For example, if your target market is weight loss, you have to do market research and find what type of weight loss solution your target audience need in order to lose weight. Either they want keto diet, vegan diet, or they want to follow a specific diet plan in order to lose weight. You have to do market research. There are a lot of places and websites and softwares you can do market research with. For example, Google Keyword Planner is the first step to do market research. #2, Google Trends. #3, YouTube itself. Just put the keyword in YouTube search bar and you can see the titles of the videos related to your target audience. And there is also specific softwares which is for market research, such as Suggest and etc. So you need to master market research. Skill #3, media buying. Media buying or traffic generation. So if you want to collect leads or generate sales via your landing page or your website, you have to have the ability to drive traffic from platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or just using email media, email newsletter. So what's media buying? It's the ability to run ads on Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram, and email media, are also called solo ads. So you don't need to master all of them, just choose one of them. For example, just choose Facebook and master running ads on Facebook. So if you don't know how to run ads on Facebook, purchase a course on udemy.com or Skillshare for a cheap price and learn how to run Facebook ads. So these are essential skills of a digital marketer, and you have to master if you want to make money. Without these three skills, you cannot make money online. So before finishing this video, please download this free book which teaches you how to build the #1 digital asset, and it paves the way to earn money online using just your email address while working only 50 to 30 minutes a day. Thanks for watching.